Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make eraser clay. This fun and simple guide will help you create your own custom erasers using common household items. We will start by gathering just a few basic materials like cornstarch, dish soap, and water. You can also add food coloring to make your erasers vibrant and unique. Get ready for a creative project. Now, let's mix our ingredients to form the clay. Begin by combining 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap in a bowl. Stir these together thoroughly. Then, gradually add about 1 teaspoon of water, mixing until a soft dough starts to form. This is also the perfect time to add a few drops of your favorite food coloring for a personalized touch. Once your dough is formed, it's time for kneading. Transfer the mixture to a clean, non-stick surface and knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This process makes the clay smooth and pliable. If it feels too sticky, simply add a small pinch more cornstarch. Now, let your creativity flow and shape your clay into any eraser design you can imagine, from simple blocks to intricate figures. The final step is curing your homemade erasers. Place your shaped creations on a flat surface and allow them to air dry completely for at least 24 hours. During this time, the clay will harden, transforming into functional and colorful erasers. Once fully dry, you can proudly test your new erasers on pencil marks. Enjoy your unique, handmade stationery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.